I am Samruddhi Bhosekar and today we are going to learn Q letter sound. Dear children, we have learned till now the phonic sounds from letter A till P and today we will learn Q letter sound. Q letter sound is very easy. You have to just imagine that in a pond, ducks are playing, alright? And they are making the sound as quack, quack, quack. Okay, what kind of sound ducks are making, children? Quack, quack, quack. Right? So, the sound is quack, quack, quack. What is the sound, children? Quack, quack, quack. So, the sound made by the letter Q is quack, quack, quack. Very good. Let us practice this sound with a song. Here we go. Q says quack, 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 quack. 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 Beautiful. Did you all enjoy this sound? Yes, it is so funny. Quack, 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 right? And dear children, there is one more fact about Q letters. Q and U, they always come together. So they are best friends. Q and U walk together, right? So now we will learn some words which start with letter Q and you will find U along with it. Alright? So let us start. Q for queen, Q, Q, queen. Q for queen, Q, Q, queen. Q for quill, Q, Q, quill. Q for quill, Q, Q, quill. Q for quiet, Q, Q, quiet. Q for quiet, Q, Q, quiet. Q for quilt, Q, Q, quilt. Q for quilt, Q, Q, quilt. Excellent. Did you understand the sound of letter Q, children? I'm sure you must have understood. And did you all notice that all the words which start with letter Q, U comes along with it. So Q and U walk together. And what sound the Q letter makes? It is Q, Q. So we have learnt queen, quill, quiet and quilt. Understood? Thank you.